Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Equifax Credit Report Access, full guide step by step clearly. To begin registering for Equifax Credit Report Access, visit the Equifax website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to proceed with the registration process. You will be directed to a sign up page where you'll see several options. Select the option that suits your needs, usually personal, if you are an individual user. Next, fill out the required information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Ensure that the information you enter matches what's on your official identification documents. You will also need to provide your social security number for identification purposes. After entering your personal details, create a username and password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Once you have completed all fields, review your information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Continue or Next button. You may be prompted to answer security questions for further verification. Answer these questions based on your financial history to help verify your identity. Once verified, you will be taken to the Terms and Conditions page. Read through the terms carefully and, if you agree, check the acceptance box. Proceed by clicking on the Submit or Register button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your registration was successful. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox to verify your email address. Follow any instructions in that email to activate your account if necessary. With your account set up, log in using the username and password you created. Once logged in, you can access your Equifax credit report and other credit monitoring services. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Review your credit report regularly to stay informed about your credit status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.